As was mentioned in the quick search video, the quick search searches most of the library's resources, but not all of them. There are exceptions. When you go to the front page of the library website, underneath the basic quick search, you can find this "What am I searching?" link, and clicking on that will take you to a page that not only describes the quick search, but gives you a complete listing of all of the library resources that are searched whenever you utilize the quick search. There are a couple databases that are left out for a variety of reasons. Um, the two major exceptions that you need to know about we can find together under databases by subject here on the library website. So I'll go to research support, click on databases by subject, go to health sciences, and here are the two major exceptions you need to know about to the quick search. One of the databases that is not searched by quick search is Nursing and Allied Health Source, one of our major health science databases. Nursing and Allied Health Source is like CINAHL with its focus on nursing, allied health, and complementary medicine. Unfortunately, it is not covered by the quick search because the company that gives us Nursing and Allied Health Source does not want their databases working in the quick search, which is made by a rival database company. So whenever you are performing research on any topic, and if you're using the quick search, keep in mind that you should probably do some searching in Nursing and Allied Health Source just in case there are any particularly good resources hiding in there that you could use and won't find otherwise. The other major exception to the quick search is TRIP Medical Database, which is a useful tool with a bit of a misleading name. TRIP Medical Database is not so much a database as much as it is a search engine. And what this database does, what this search engine does is that it focuses on finding high quality clinical research evidence. And it does that by searching a select range of resources. That includes the top 500 journals on PubMed, all systematic reviews and trials from PubMed, a range of clinical guidelines, and when a library like Sacred Heart gets a subscription to it, what the search engine does is integrate itself into our system. And so whenever a search is performed, it searches through its select range of resources, and it tells the user whether those search results are available inside their library or not. Now, TRIP has a couple unique options, one of which is this Pico search option, where you can search based on the components of a Pico question. You can type in all of them or just some of them. Just keep in mind that you need to keep these searches in these different categories as succinct as possible so as to make clear to the search engine what you're searching for. But where TRIP really shines and where a lot of students find it to be particularly beneficial is that not only does it find high quality evidence, but it's the only resource that will give you the exact type of evidence for any single search result. So I will do another basic search. I will do the opioid epidemic. And first of all, it's giving me all of my search results. And under each search results, it's telling me whether this article is available in full text in the Sacred Heart University Library's holdings. It'll say full text Sacred Heart University. That's the link you'll follow if you want to access this article in the library. Now, if a search result does not say full text Sacred Heart University, that doesn't necessarily mean it's not accessible. It could be an article or resource that's freely available on the web. You'll never know at first, so always click on a helpful looking article just in case. And what you may have noticed already is that next to every single search result, it tells you the exact type of evidence next to it. So it looks like on this first page, most of our search results, if not all of them, appear to be primary research. Let me scroll down. And yes, that seems to be mainly primary research. The good thing is whenever a search is performed on TRIP, as you can see here on the right, you always get a complete breakdown of all your search results and what kind of evidence types they are, ranging from primary research to ongoing clinical trials to clinical Q&As, key primary research, guidelines, and more. So for example, if I was doing a search here, and if I was just looking for systematic reviews specifically, well, I'd click on where it says systematic reviews on the right-hand side, and then it'll only give me the search results that are systematic reviews. So again, TRIP database does not work with our quick search because again, it is a different tool, not so much a database as it is a search engine that searches a specific range of evidence and then searches to see whether anything it finds is available in our library's holdings. But it is still nevertheless an incredibly useful resource because not only does it find, again, high quality clinical evidence, but whenever you're looking for a specific type of evidence, this is definitely the library resource for you. So definitely take advantage of this whenever you're performing any research on any topic.